Hey there. Are you ready to check out the hottest new IKEA products for 2025? Trust me, these pieces are about to transform your home. From stylish vases to super functional organizers, we've got it all. Get ready to discover your new favorite home essentials. Let's dive in. Can we talk about this beauty? The BATIKBOTIA Mug is everything you didn't know you needed to start your day with a smile. That splash of sunny yellow feels like a burst of happiness, and the irregular hand-painted design adds a playful, artisanal touch. It's not just a mug, it's a mood. Whether you're savoring your morning coffee, relaxing with tea, or indulging in a cozy hot chocolate, this mug brings an extra spark of joy to every sip. Elegant, functional. The Broyarden Set is here to give your bathroom that polished, timeless vibe you've been dreaming of. With its shiny chrome-plated accents and soft gray finish, this three-piece set doesn't just look good, it works hard too. The tray is ideal for soap, jewelry, or anything that tends to go missing. The soap dispenser is easy to refill, keeping everything neat and tidy, while the toothbrush holder completes the set with practical flair. The KONSTFULL Vase in gray is everything you never knew you needed. Designed by the amazing Ilse Crawford, this vase takes flower arranging to the next level. Its clean, modern shape is perfect for any space, simple yet so stunning. Made from mouth-blown leftover glass, it's not just gorgeous, but eco-friendly too. The rings at the bottom keep your flowers perfectly angled, creating the most beautiful arrangement with ease. Cleaning? No sweat. The wide opening makes it super easy to wash. Each vase is handmade, so it's totally unique. The LOSHULT Utility Cart is here to save the day with its compact design and natural pine finish. This trolley is so versatile. It's perfect for kitchens, home offices, craft rooms, or any space where you need a little extra storage. The warm, natural wood tone adds a cozy touch to any room, while the lockable wheels make it easy to move around and keep in place. And let's not forget the best part, you can totally customize it. A fresh coat of paint or stain turns this simple cart into a personal masterpiece. Is it even possible to be this cozy? The Naval throw is your new best friend for chilly evenings, lazy weekends, or just adding a touch of charm to your living space. The soft beige, checkered pattern is effortlessly stylish, blending perfectly with any decor. And the fringed edges? Such a cute detail. Made from 100% recycled polyester, it's eco-friendly, super soft, and holds up beautifully wash after wash. It's lightweight yet warm, making it ideal for snuggling on the couch, wrapping up on the patio, or even taking on a picnic. GRÖNKNAVEL isn't just a throw, it's a hug you can wear. GRÖNKNAVEL cushion cover, beige white. Refresh your space instantly. The GRÖNKNAVEL cushion cover is a decorator's dream, bringing warmth and style to any room in seconds. The beige and white leaf pattern is subtle but so chic, working just as well indoors as it does on your patio or balcony. Every room needs a statement piece, and the Gradvis Vase is it. With its dark gray hue and stunning reactive glaze, this vase adds a sophisticated handcrafted vibe to any space. The clay is made from 100% recovered materials, so not only is it gorgeous, it's sustainable too. Each vase is unique, with natural variations that make it feel one of a kind. Whether you fill it with fresh blooms, dried arrangements, or let it stand solo, Gradvis brings warmth and character to your home. It's more than decor, it's art. Prepare for all the compliments. The Cockcare Decorations are a triple threat: stylish, natural, and so versatile. Handmade from bamboo and pine, these three pieces vary in height, shape, and color, creating a beautifully layered look. Use them together as a centerpiece, scatter them around your home, or even combine them with other pieces for a totally unique display. Assembly is a breeze, no tools needed, so you'll be enjoying their earthy, calming vibes in no time. If you're looking to add warmth and personality to your space, Cockcare is the answer. The SKUG Stub Mug is here to bring a little luxury to your everyday routine. With its earthy brown and green tones, this glass mug is as calming as it is stylish. It's made from heat-resistant glass, so it handles your hot and cold drinks with ease, and the ergonomic handle makes every sip feel extra special. Whether you're starting your day or winding it down, SKUG Stub turns an ordinary moment into a mini indulgence. Pair it with the matching colors for a cohesive look, or mix things up. Either way, it's pure perfection. Resorp Wire Basket, pink. Storage has never been this cute. The The Resorp wire basket is here to keep you organized and add a pop of color to your space. The soft pink hue is playful and chic, while the steel mesh design keeps your fruits, veggies, or supplies fresh and easy to see. Lightweight with a sturdy handle, it's perfect for grocery shopping, home organization, or even a stylish picnic basket. Place it in your kitchen, hallway, or home office, wherever you need a little extra charm and functionality. Resorp isn't just practical, it's a total game changer for your decor. Fisk Glass, clear glass, this is the glass you've been searching for. The Fisk is everything you want in an everyday glass. Sleek, sturdy, and perfectly designed for both hot and cold drinks. Whether you're serving water at dinner, sipping tea, or enjoying a refreshing iced coffee, this glass does it all. Its stackable shape saves cabinet space, while the heat-resistant glass ensures durability and elegance. Sometimes the simplest things make the biggest impact, and Fisk proves that beautifully. A classic addition to any table. The Ikea'S artificial cherry blossom plant is a dream for anyone who loves nature but doesn't have the time or the green thumb for upkeep. Made from over 50% recycled materials, it's eco-friendly and stunningly lifelike. Whether it's brightening up your living room, adding a pop of color to your balcony, or creating a serene vibe in your home office, this plant stays in perfect bloom all year round. No watering, no wilting, just endless beauty. The Corkin Jar isn't just a container, it's a kitchen superstar. From pickles to jams to crunchy cookies, this jar locks in all the flavor with its airtight seal. And the brown-red painted surface? Gorgeous and practical. You can write on it, label your goodies, or leave a cute note if you're gifting it. Plus, the paint keeps sunlight out so your food stays fresher for longer. It's not just for food either. Use it for pasta, tea, or as a trendy storage piece anywhere in your home. The Gana's clothes rack is everything you need to keep your hallway stylish and organized. Jackets, shoes, keys, this rack has a spot for it all. The hidden wall anchoring? Genius. It's sleek, minimal, and super modern. And let's talk about those two flexible hooks. Move them anywhere for the perfect setup. There's even a tray for your keys, so you'll never lose them again. Made of durable, powder-coated metal, it's built to last, and the soft sheen? Chef's kiss. Perfect for your hallway, closet, or that awkward space behind the door. This is a must-have. The Naval placemat isn't just a table accessory, it's a handmade piece of art. Made from dried palmyra leaves, each mat has its own unique, natural charm. The checkered weave adds a rustic, cozy vibe to any table, whether it's a casual dinner or a fancy party. Plus, it protects your table and reduces noise from dishes. How smart is that? And the little loop? Perfect for hanging it up when you're done. This isn't just a placemat, it's a statement. Handcrafted, stylish, absolutely essential. The Treet mat is here to make your entryway the star of your home. With its black and white pattern, it's not just practical, it's a style statement. The backing keeps it in place so no more slipping around, and it's so easy to clean. Shake it, vacuum it, done. Whether you're welcoming guests or just keeping your shoes clean, this mat does it all while looking fabulous. Who says doormats can't have personality? The Fleek pendant lamp is the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern vibes. That glossy, enamel-like finish? Stunning. The brass-colored details and toggle switch? Absolutely adorable. It's the kind of lamp that transforms your dining room or kitchen into a designer space. Plus, it's not just pretty. The directed light is perfect for cozy dinners or brightening up your kitchen island. Functional and beautiful? Yes, please. This lamp is everything. These 2025 IKEA products are truly next level. Whether you're all about creating a peaceful, organized space or just want to add that pop of style to your home, there is something in this collection for you. Trust me, these products will make your life easier, your space cozier, and your style sizzle. So, what are you waiting for? Head to IKEA and get your hands on these gems.